Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today I'm in the salon. I went to relock my hair. No, not even relocking, because I relock it once in 2 months while I repack it every month. So I just went there to repack it today. Unfortunately, I don't have anyone to record me, so you just manage the video like that, please. Time you are coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. Watch the video to the end, because this guy did a nice job on my hair. Like, he's very good at this. He's good at locking dreads. Very good. You will see if you watch till the end, you will see the nice job that he did. The hair came out very fine. Please, if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a video. I also have food content on my channel. You can check my channel. I have food content there. I have other dress styles also. wasn't able to record all parts of the relocking because there was no light. Before he could finish, I was already sweating. Oh my god, I was the weather was very hot. I was like, god, what is this? So I just say, let me just keep my phone and know whether I can take some fresh air. You can see I was already sweating, but he really did a nice job. It came out nice, seriously. Okay now guys, so this is me and this is the hair after everything. You can see, oh my god, it came out more beautiful than I expected. Guys, thank you for watching. Ngwano kemesia, bye bye.